So
Yes, sir.
next, right, capital E, capital E means shift operator. Capital E means shift operator. SHIFT. In next line, delta. Delta symbol you know na? Means a triangle symbol. Delta. Triangle symbol. You write delta means forward difference operator. Delta you already got in means numerical analysis, Newton's forward difference. Okay, here we use one is forward delta, another one is backward delta. Okay, so delta you write delta means forward difference operator. Next you write backward delta. Backward delta means backward difference operator. Clear this one?
Sir, can you repeat after forward delta?
Acha. Forward delta means symbol is triangle symbol. Okay, small triangle symbol. You write uh, delta. Delta means forward difference operator. Forward difference operator. And just this one is next one is backward operator. You write means backward difference operator. Just triangle you write in reverse way. Okay, means backward difference operator. Okay, clear? You have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay. Anybody? Any question? First one I have given
No, sir.
capital E means shift operator. SHIFT, shift operator. Second one is forward difference operator means delta. Delta triangle symbol is delta means forward difference operator. Next one is backward difference operator. Next delta you write just reverse way means backward difference operator. Clear, Shankhanath?
Yes, sir. Yes, clear.
Okay. So next write formula. Next write formula. No. So number one, capital E equal to number one, capital E equal to 1 plus delta. Capital E equal to 1 plus delta. Forward delta, okay. 1 plus delta means forward difference operator delta. Okay. Next, you write number 2, backward difference operator means just you this operator you write in reverse way. Okay, backward difference operator equal to 1 minus 1 minus capital E inverse. 1 minus capital E inverse. Clear? Arvas? E inverse. Okay. Next, number 3, you write E backward operator means backward difference operator. E into backward difference operator equal to forward difference operator. E into backward difference operator, just you write the symbol backward difference operator. capital E backward difference operator equal to forward difference operator. Next, number 4, capital E to the power n. Capital E to the power n, f of x, small f of x. Capital E to the power n, small f of x equal to small f, first bracket, f plus nh. Again you see capital E to the power n, f of x equal to small f of first bracket means f of x plus nh, small n, small h. Okay, you already got this formula in Simpson's one-third rule. When we solve, you already use this formula, e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. Next number 5 maybe, delta, forward delta f of x, forward delta f of x equal to forward delta f of x equal to f of x plus h, means small f bracket x plus h, small h, minus bracket close, then minus f of x. Again you see delta, this delta is forward delta. Delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, here h is the increment. Next number, next formula, backward f of x means backward difference operator. Just symbol is backward difference operator, f of x equal to f of x minus f of x minus h. F of x minus f of x minus h. Okay. Clear? So next you write, because operated related some problem may be asked in your exam. Okay, 2-3 question earlier came. So first, next you write the question. First question is evaluate. First question, evaluate delta, forward delta, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Evaluate forward delta tan inverse x. So anybody any idea how to solve? So first you see here what is given, our aim to find out the delta tan inverse x. Okay, delta tan inverse x. So delta tan inverse x is, first here we consider what is our f of x. Okay, what is our f of x? So here what is our f of x? Here we consider f of x is tan inverse x. Yes, good. So you write in the solution part, let f of x equal to tan inverse x. All of you write, let f of x equal to tan inverse x. Next, I shall give this one photocopy. I shall give in a WhatsApp group. Then, if you have any doubt then you can ask. Okay. So we consider f of x equal to 10 inverse x. So you can mark this is number one, equation number one. Next you see here operator is what? Forward or backward? Here operator is forward. So we apply forward difference operator. What is forward difference of f of x? Okay. So here next right, we know that delta, forward delta. Okay. Forward delta means this triangle, forward delta. We know that forward delta f of x equal to, what is the formula? Raj? Okay, good. Okay. So next you write, therefore forward delta f of x equal to, all of you write f of x plus h minus f of x, just to every. Okay. Therefore forward delta in f of x we consider 10 inverse x. So forward delta 10 inverse x equal to forward delta 10 inverse x equal to 10 inverse x plus h, 10 inverse, in bracket you write x plus h, bracket close, minus 10 inverse x minus 10 inverse 10 inverse 10 inverse x. 10 inverse x. Next you see this one will be 10 inverse x plus h minus 10 inverse x. So here you consider 10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b formula. What is the formula of 10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b? So you can write 10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b equal to 10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b equal to, in side note you can write 10 inverse
A plus.
10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b equal to 10 inverse a minus b divided by 1 minus ab. You got already in the higher secondary in the trigonometry this formula 10 inverse a minus 10 inverse b equal to 10 inverse a minus b by 1 minus a. So here similarly you see 10 inverse x plus h minus 10 inverse x. So what we write here, a is x plus h and b is x. So we can write 10 inverse, then you give third bracket. In numerator you write x plus h minus x. Your a is x plus h and b is x. So x plus h minus x divided by, in denominator you write 1 minus ab. A is x plus h into x. Next x cancel out. So numerator it will be h. So 10 inverse h by 1 plus x plus h into x. So you see this is clear or not? Yeah. See? You have
Yes.
written. Shankanath?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is also important question. Uh, Next one will be evaluate delta square, forward delta square sine twice x, delta square sine twice x. Okay. So that type of problem when delta square, delta cube, or etc. like that problem, you solve. When you solve, then you use shift operator, means E operator. Then this one will be easy. Okay. You see, our next question is evaluate delta square sine twice x. Okay. So E related formula you see. One formula is e to the power n f of x. You see, one formula I have given, e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. We apply this formula. And also another formula we know, E equal to 1 plus delta, or delta equal to E minus 1. Anyone. Delta equal to E minus 1. So E equal to 1 plus delta. Okay. So now you write the solution. Here power is delta square delta cube. Then we use the formula e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. Okay. So right, we know that in the solution part you write e to the power n f of x equal to f of x plus nh. Anybody you have any doubt, you can ask. E to the power n of f of x equal to f of x plus nh. Next right, also we know, next we write, also we know E equal to, also we know E equal to 1 plus forward delta, implies delta equal to E minus 1. Just you take one, E on that side, delta equal to E minus 1. Next right, now delta square sine twice x. Our question, what we evaluate? Delta square sine twice x. So delta square sine twice x equal to, you see, you convert delta in terms of E. So here what is delta? Delta equal to, we know, E minus 1. So delta square you write E minus 1 whole square. In place of delta you write E minus 1 and delta square. So E minus 1 whole square sine twice x. Sine twice x will be remain same, sine twice x. So you see the formula. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So what is the formula? A square means c square minus twice ab means twice c plus b square. 1 square is 1. You write in bracket close, then sine twice x. Okay. Next you split this one. E square sine twice x minus 2 into e sine twice x plus sine twice x. Okay. Next, e square sine twice x. E square sine twice x equal to what we write? Arbus, e square sine twice x. What we write?
What we write? F x plus 2 sine twice x plus f x right.
Yes, just you see. E square sine. Just to close the audio. Arif. E square sine
sine twice x
plus 2 into x plus y.
X plus y. X plus.
So this is the formula of n times y.
Y.
Yeah,
Yeah.
minus
Minus.
all of you.
Okay. Arif, can you please turn off your
Okay. So next minus 2 e sine twice x is 2 sine 2x plus h, and sine twice x is same. This is the formula of e square sine twice x. Formula is e to the power n sine twice x. So e to the power n sine twice x is e to the power e to the power n sine twice x. Same as formula is e to the power n f of x. So this formula you see e to the power n f of x is f of x plus n. So here our n is 2. So this one will be sine 2x plus twice h. Okay. Next, twice e sine twice x. Here e to the power n is our 1. So 2 sine 2. And here x plus n h will be our n is 1. So x plus h. And next one is sine twice x. Clear? Next you write evaluate delta to the power n small n forward delta to the power n e to the power ax, delta to the power n e to the power ax. So you will try to solve this. E to the power ax, small a, small x. Okay. Next question you write delta log f of x, forward delta log f of x equal to log third bracket 1 plus, then you write in numerator delta f of x by f of x. Numerator will be delta f of x, denominator will be f of x.
Sir, can you repeat after equal?
Next question you see, prove that or show that delta log f of x equal to log, then third bracket 1 plus, then in numerator you will write delta f of x divided by f of x, bracket third bracket close. Clear? Kalpana?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next, right? Here you see our function is what? Delta f of x, right? So delta log f of x. So here we use the forward difference operator, means we use here delta f of x equal to, we know the formula is what? F of x plus h minus f of x. So you see, first in solution you write, we know delta f of x equal to delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. You mark it number 1. Next you write left hand side is what? Delta log f of x. So you write this one. Therefore, delta log f of x equal to, so here you see our f of x, you consider this is log f of x. So equal to delta f of x is what? F of x plus h minus f of x. So delta log f of x will be what? This is equal to, you write log f of x plus h minus log x, log f of x equal to log f of x plus h minus log f of x. Okay. Next line equal to, you see this is log m minus log n, or log a minus log b. So log a minus log b is what? Log a by b. So you write log f of x plus h divided by f of x. Here in comma, then you write since log a minus log b equal to log a by b. You can write this. Next you see, next line, log f of numerator is what? F of x plus h. So just we adjust. You write log, then third bracket. In numerator you write f of x plus h. In third bracket you write f of x plus h minus f of x plus f of x. Just you adjust. F of x and f of x cancel out, you will get f of x plus h. And denominator will remain same. Denominator will be f of x. Okay. So next you see, next line log. So f of x plus h minus f of x equal to what we write? F of x plus h minus f of x. This can be written as delta f of x. So you write this is equal to delta f of x plus f of x will be remain same plus f of x divided by f of x. Up to this you see, this is clear or not, Argus? Next, right, equal to log, you see delta f of x by f of x plus f of by f of x is what? 1. So log delta f of x by f of x plus 1 equal to log 1 plus delta f of x by f of x. So you see this is the right hand side. Anybody any doubt? You can ask one by one. Ishita,
No, sir.
okay. So this is proof. This one. So this is also the important question. Next question you write, show that delta forward delta minus backward delta equal to forward delta minus backward delta equal to forward delta into backward delta. Forward delta minus backward delta equal to forward delta into backward delta. So you take its left hand side, right hand side. So you see right hand side is what? Right hand side is product of forward delta and backward delta, and left hand side is difference. Okay, so first you write RHS. So you write RHS solution, RHS delta, forward delta into backward delta, f of x equal to forward delta into backward delta, f of x equal to forward delta, then third bracket,
Sir,
just
can you repeat the question, sir? Show that forward delta minus backward delta equals to forward delta into backward delta.
backward delta, yes.
Okay. So where is the
Okay.
f of x?
Next, we write this operator with associated with the function f of x. Then we solve. Okay, just we take f of x. Okay, when given sometime only the operator delta, forward delta or backward delta. Left hand side also what? Product of forward delta, backward delta. Means what? Left hand side f of x and right hand side also f of x. F of x cancel out. Then we get this one.
Okay.
Means actually this is equivalent to this one. So in sometimes some book or some examiner set in this way, this is equal, but actually this is equivalent. Okay, so you will not confuse symbol of equivalent or equal. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so right hand side is forward operator, forward delta into backward delta. Then we write f of x equal to forward delta, then backward delta f of x equal to what we write. You see the formula I have already given. So backward difference of backward delta f of x equal to f of x minus f of x minus h. F of x minus f of x minus h. Next, equal to, just you split forward delta f of x minus forward delta f of x minus h. Forward delta f of x minus forward delta f of x minus h. Next, first term is remain same. Forward delta f of x minus, next you see forward delta f of x minus h, you write formula, you apply here forward delta f of x. So forward delta f of x is what? F of x plus h minus f of x. So here x is what? X minus h. So this can be right minus, then you write third bracket f of x plus h. Our x is x minus h plus h. H is cancel out, then we get f of x. So third bracket you write f of x minus this, our f of x is what? X minus h minus f of x minus h. Again you see after calculation we get forward delta f of x minus third bracket f of x minus f of x minus h, third bracket close. Then equal to, this means saying forward delta f of x minus, you see f of x minus f of x minus h. What we write? I'm gonna
Backward
f of
delta
x,
f of x.
yes, good. Backward delta f of x. Clear. Next, implies left hand side you see forward delta into backward delta f of x equal to forward delta f of x minus backward delta f of x. Next, throughout cancel f of x. We get what? Forward delta into backward delta equal to forward delta minus backward delta. Or this can be sometime asked this in this way: forward delta into backward delta, equivalent symbol. Just you write 3 line in place of equal to, you write 3 line. Equivalent symbol, forward delta minus backward delta. Okay, so this is also the important question. Okay, so this is the problem related to operated related problem. Okay, so we need the formula, then we apply this formula with this problem. Okay, next I shall give this one in your WhatsApp group. From here, if any mistake or etc., then you make copy this one. So anybody any doubt, one by one you can ask.